All right, this one is just hilarious, I think. In the Tiffin Wayfarer, there's a pedestal right here. And that pedestal is to hold a table that sits, sorry about the jiggly, I'm holding this with my broken hand. It sits between the driver and passenger seat, which you can rotate around. When we bought it, it was loose. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. You can imagine that when you got a big long arm on this and a heavy table on top and you put something on top of that, that wiggle is going to be pretty wide and it's probably going to break the floor. So I just decided to unscrew this and see what's below this pedestal. And that's what I think is so funny. Let's have a quick look. First of all, let me show you this. These are the screws that hold it in, and they hold it, little self-tapping screw, into linoleum. So you screw this into the linoleum, which then screws into this, and that is just some like little fiberglass stuff. Not fiberglass, sorry. If it was fiberglass, maybe it'd be strong. It's styrofoam, like insulation board. Now, I don't think anybody that's ever built anything of any quality is going to rely on this self-tapping screw through linoleum into styrofoam to hold a big heavy table that's going to rattle around like this with a couple of beers on it and see a lot of use. And so naturally, when that thing sits in there and you screw it down with this, I'm afraid to say that's just not going to work. Now, I don't know if that is a engineering decision that was poorly made at Tiffin, or if that was a craftsmanship thing, or maybe my floor is just plain missing something down there to stabilize it. But I will be replacing that with some little brass inserts that will tap it in a little bit stronger. I mean, I don't think I can do anything about the fact that it's going through linoleum and into, you know, styrofoam, but I can at least give it some more grip and then put a machine screw in there that's going to hold it down a little bit better. So, man, I don't know where that problem came from, but gee whiz. I can't imagine something just more ridiculously designed. That's it. I got more stuff to film, so I'll leave it there. We'll get to it.